Hello, I'm Chris from Bits, Bobs and Odd Jobs, and today I'm going to show you a short video on how to put a board. A colleague of mine would like the board put on the wall, so we're going to show you how to do it. Quite simply, one needs a drill. Make sure it's on hammer mode because it's a masonry wall, and these are the parts we need. A couple of screws, a masonry bit. We know it's a masonry bit because it's got this eyelet at the top, which slightly extends either side of the main drill shaft. And then it's got two raw plugs. Make sure they are the same and compatible with that of the drill bit. So this is 7mm and this is also 7mm. So there we are. And then we've got post-it notes. Very important, collects the dust. Right, here we are at our wall, Darcy's desk. We know it's a masonry wall because it's absolutely solid to every time you bang on it. So therefore we've used a masonry drill just to reiterate that. Now, when drilling through masonry or anything on a wall, it's very messy. A good tip is to use a post-it note, quite simply folded in half, and the adhesive sticky bit, just put it under where your drill marks are going to go. And in that gully, it collects the dust. Right, on we go with drilling. Make sure it's in hammer mode. See the little hammer? There you go. Clip it through, off we go. Right. No need to push, the drill work does it, but all you need to do is guide it with your arm. One hole done. Now when you're drilling the hole, you need to make sure that you've drilled to the right depth so it allows the screw not to hit the brickwork behind. Now we've done that, we need to fit our raw plugs, so quite simply put them in the holes like this. Remove your post-it notes, straighten the bin. No hoovering to be done. Quite simply, with a Bits, Bobs and Odd Jobs hammer, bang them in.
Yeah, that's it.
Job done. Now our raw plugs are in place. Change the mode on here, back to screw drive. Fit our Phillips head. And quite simply fit the screws into the raw plugs. There's one. There we go. The board. D-hook on. D-hook on, job done. Voila. Thank you very much.